Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and it's Food Pantry Day.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey, I went to the food pantry, and wow, there was a lot of people, and they were running out of food. I did get some, not a lot, but I got some good things. And not only we're going to do a food pantry haul today, we're going to do a meal. Come on, let's see what I got. We're going to start from the left to the right. We have some wonderful canned goods, starting with applesauce. Delicious unsweetened applesauce can be used in lots of ways, mostly in baking. But you can use this and make an apple tart. You can make some wonderful baked things with this, and this could be the good sweet center. I'll show you how you take this with some sugar and a little bit of cornstarch and make a thick, nice, like compote almost. Fruit compote, it's good. You'll see what I mean. Now this, refried beans, love them. That's going to play an intricate role in one of my hors d'oeuvres I'm going to make for the 12 days of hors d'oeuvres of Christmas. We've got some salmon. That's going to play a big role today. Oh, camera ran out for a minute. We got some cut green beans. We've also got some whole kernel corn. 2 cans of tomato soup. Oh, and look at this. Some tomato sauce and diced tomatoes. Then we got some peanut butter and jelly. Love that. We've got some rice. Make lots of things with rice, as you saw. We can also make some macaroni and cheese. I got 2 boxes of that. I make my own cheese sauce. Yes, I do. We've got some oatmeal back here, some quick oats. Wonderful oatmeal that makes. You can make cookies, everything. Green peppers, we got 3 of those. We got a tomato that needs to be ripening. Yes, yes, yes. We've got some spaghetti. We've got some lentils. Not to mention some hot peppers. Serrano. Now, this can make a soup. All this together can make some hot bean spread. Ooh. Then we've got an apple Danish. Wonderful. We've got some rye bread all sliced up and ready to go. This makes excellent garlic bread. This makes excellent, what do you call those? Croutons for a salad or a soup. This also makes excellent sandwiches and wonderful gourmet grilled cheese. I'm going to show you how to make a gourmet grilled cheese sandwich from the food pantry. Then we've got 2, I think these are, what are these? Whole chickens. Now this is the size a chicken should be, okay? Chickens are not double this size. No, they are this size. And these are going to be delicious in the oven. You could prepare them like Cornish hens. You could smother them in gravy. You could stuff them with stuffing and serve them at turkey time or Christmas. Then over here, we've got a bag of shrimp. They gave us some shrimp. Yes. Now, let's look at everything we got. Now you may say, Uncle Chris, that's not a lot, but it is. I can use those ingredients with the ingredients I already have and make some wonderful things. We're going to make a recipe coming up tonight. The video will be up. Red beans and rice, Louisiana style. I have a ton of rice. I have a ton of red beans from the food pantry, as you know. Yes. And then also I'm going to use that rye bread on the next video to make gourmet grilled cheese sandwiches, okay? All right. Tune in tonight. Now, what do I want you to do? I want you to like, I want you to comment, I want you to subscribe. I also want you to write to me. Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. I also had to change my shirt because I spilled stuff all over it. Anyway, write to me and let me know if you need some food, okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Turn in tonight for the recipe on the red beans and rice. I can feed 6 people with this. Check it out. Bye-bye.